Today, we're going to learn how to create a CashApp account. CashApp is a popular mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and more. The first step is to download the Cash app from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, open it. You'll be asked to enter your phone number or email address. This will be used to verify your identity and sign into your account. After entering your phone number or email, you'll need to select your country. You'll have the option to add a bank account using your debit card. This is optional, but it allows you to transfer money to and from your bank account. You'll need to provide your legal name as it appears on your government-issued ID. Here, enter your date of birth. Choose a unique cash tag. This is your username on Cash App and is used for receiving payments. Now enter your zip code. Create a 4-digit PIN code to secure your account. That's it! You've successfully created a Cash App account. Now you can start sending and receiving money, investing in stocks, and more. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials.